I've been looking for a product that I can use other than the ones I have been using because they're never really available anywhere. So you're always waiting a long time to get these products, and then they're not as good. Learning about this one is actually really educational because now I'm actually getting to work with people who make the product instead of just reading off of the side of a container, you know, on what the product would be.
Obviously, you're not going to want to start working this on the front edge here because then you're going to be leaning in it. So we're going to be resurfacing a tub. This has already been resurfaced a few times. So here goes for like coat number 7 or something like that. So now I can set this bucket down here if I need to for a little bit, but remember that product in the bucket, I am losing time on that. So I can spend some time on my back wall here, but I'm not going to want to be messing with this backside for like 20 minutes. But 5 minutes isn't going to cause any problems in that pot whatsoever. Whoever prepped this tub, very good job. Thank you guys. Okay, always work from your top down. Be patient with it. We're not here to paint, we're here to create a nice, smooth coating. So just take as much time as that takes. And the more even you pull this roller, the more smooth speed and pressure, the smoother your coating is going to be. Just think about that. You push it in really heavy, or slow it way down, you're going to drag a lot of product off the surface. If you speed it up, you'll leave a lot of excess up there. So take as much time as you need to go back and forth. And the biggest thing, try to get it even, but don't focus on all the drips because they're gonna self-level themselves once we give it just time to do what it's supposed to do on its own. I'm personally very against all the masking and most of the spray applications of tubs and the very thin, non-shock resistant coating you get out of that. This has a way higher bond strength, but it's also compressive and shock resistant. So if it takes an impact, like something landing on it, it's not like a spray coating that's gonna just chip and fail right away. So. Now you notice I didn't pour all my epoxy in this tub because I don't want all my excess to be going towards that drain. If I have enough and I have leftover in my bucket, I'm gonna stop, and I'd rather waste some in my bucket than create a bunch of drips I have to babysit. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So even on a cast iron tub, do you need to edge it? Do you need to prep it in any way other than cleaning, making sure there's no contaminant?
Exactly. All I do is I make sure it's abraded very well, no contaminants. Silicone's really what's going to get you on one of these. Right. Something like silicone sealant or something. So, and I don't believe in just trying to wash silicone or I would hit it with sandpaper or something to really make sure I cut into that surface under it and make sure all of it's off.
It's just a really easy product to maintain, and I think that a lot of clients are gonna really be blown away when they see the end result of what is gonna be done in their homes.